Hello student, I am Kopita Das. Today I will take class 6 mathematics chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Exercise number 1.2. So I will start from number 1. Here said number 1, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days was respectively 1094 in first day, 1812 in second day, 2050 in third day and at final day 2751. So find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So to find total number of tickets, we should add this number in first day, second day, third day and final day. Now we get, so total number of tickets sold on all 4 days equals to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. So I get 7707. This is the required answer. Now next I try number 3. Here number 2 is same as number 3. So you should try in number 2 at your home. This is same as number 3. Now number 3. Here said in an election the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Now, let's say successful candidate (5,77,500) votes. Successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. So find the margin did the successful candidate win the election. So successful candidate win the election by how many votes? That was the successful candidate registered vote minus nearest rival secured votes, and means this minus this. So we find how much this is larger than this. This is 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700 votes. That means we calculate this. (5,77,500 5,77,500 minus 3,48,500. Sorry, 700. Now we get 0, 0, 8, 8, 2, 2. That means 2,28,800 volts. So 2,28,800 volts. This is the required answer. This is successful candidate win the election by 2,28,800 votes. And next, number 4. Here said, Preeti bookstore sold books worth Rs 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth Rs 4,768 in the second week. So at first week it was 2,85,891 and second week it was 4,768. Books sold in first week. This is 2,85,891 rupees, and books sold in second week of June, rupees 4,768. So how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together means in the first week and second week together. So we add this and this. So the sale for 2 weeks is rupees 2,85,891 and rupees 4,07,068. Now we find the sum of this number. 9, 5, 6, 6. So sum of this number is 6,86,659. This is the first answer. And second is said, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? Now here, what is the larger? This or this? This is 2,85,891 and this is 4 lakh. So 4 is greater than 2. So 4,768. This is greater than this. So in second week was the sale greater, and by how much? The sale was greater in the second week, that means 4 lakh. Second and how much. So find the how much it was. We should subtract this number from this, and it was 4,768 minus rupees 2,85,891. Now we find $4,768 minus 2,85,891. Now we get 8 minus 1, 7. This is 8. So 7. This is 8. 4, 1, 1. So 1,14,877. The question is, in which week was the sale greater? In second week, the sale was greater in second week. And how much it was? And it was rupees this minus this. That means 1 lakh rupees, 1,14,877. This is number 4. So next day we will try from number 5, and 2 is homework, and 2 is same as number 3.